Today we are going to learn how to prove the irrationality of any number. So this is a topic of class 10 math chapter 1. So let's say you are asked to prove the irrationality of root 7. How would you do that? So first of all, you would like to assume that root 7 is rational. So we are going to learn how to do it step by step. So first step is to assume that root 7 is rational. So we know that when any number is rational, it can be written in the form of p by q, right? So here, now the next step, step number 2, is to square both the sides. Square both sides. So now when you square both the sides, one side will be 7, that is LHS, and the RHS would be equivalent to p square upon q square. So here we can see that 7 divides p square. Now here's a theorem. The theorem says that if a number divides square of any number, it will divide the number itself. So it's a very important theorem that would help you not only in this chapter but in your higher classes as well. So this theorem you'll have to keep in mind. So now according to this theorem, if p square is divided by 7, then 7 can also, according to theorem, 7 can also divide p. So let's say p when divided by 7 gives the number n. We're going to let this. So p would be equal to 7n. Now keep in mind that this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Alright. So now we have got a different value for p. Now we would simply put this value of p in equation 2, which will give us q square equals to 7n upon 7 square, which is our equation 2. We've done nothing, we have just kept the new value of p. Now we'll just simply do the square thing and we'll get 49n square upon 7. This cancels out. It would be 7n square. Now you have this. Now you can see that 7 divides q square. So q square upon 7 is equals to n square. Now according to the theorem we have just read, if 7 divides q square, then it would divide q as well. So let's say when q divided by 7 gives us n. Now we have the new values of both. P and Q. This is the value of Q, and we've already figured out the value of P. Now we would put the values of P and Q in the equation 1. What was the equation 1? P upon Q. So therefore, P upon Q is equal to 7n upon 7m. Now we can see that these both can be cancelled out. And as we all know, a rational number does not have any further factors. But here, this contradiction is occurring due to our wrong assumption. So we have come to the conclusion that this contradiction is due to our wrong assumption. Therefore, root 7 is irrational. I hope you all understood the concept. Now, if you have any queries, you can drop down in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.